Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Storage Sense to clean your unwanted junk files in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and after that click on the settings button over there. Now you will get this window. So now you have to click on system. And after that, here you will get one option on your left side corner. It's called storage. So click over there, and after that you have to enable these features, which is called storage sense. So click over there, and after that click on configure storage sense on run it now. So click over there, and after that you have to scroll down and you have to click on clean now button. And after that it will clean your unwanted junk file from your computer. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.